Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Subaru key fob. You're going to need one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This isn't absolutely necessary, but I think it is very helpful. So first thing you want to do is on the back here, press this silver button. Press that in and then take your fingernails and pull out the mechanical key. Now, you can take a mechanical key and insert it right here and pry this back piece off, but I think a small flat tip screwdriver is way easier. So put it in that slot right there. Just give it a twist like that. Then you can take your screwdriver or your key and just pry out this battery. And you got to be careful here. These little clips right here are pretty delicate. You want to do your best not to break those. So your new battery goes in positive side facing upward like that. And go ahead and just clip this back on. Make sure it's working here. Make sure you got your red light blinking. Replace your mechanical key and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.